Aloha! Welcome to No'ea Soft Skills Shorts, a workshop series that highlights soft skills and how to practice them. This episode is about organization. What is organization? Organization is the ability to effectively use your space, time, and mental capacity to achieve a desired outcome. Organization skills come in two categories, physical and reasoning. Physical organization has to do with the physical space and the environment you work in. It encompasses everything from your real-world desk space to the files stored away digitally and the folders stored away physically. Reasoning organization has to do with your thought process and your ability to go from one task to the next in a timely manner. It includes teamwork, prioritization, and delegation. Organizational skills are essential to any person at work, home, or school. It keeps your mind focused and actions diligent. How can you develop or practice organization? Number 1. Keep your workspace clean. An orderly workspace free of distractions will help you stay focused on your task at hand and make items easy to find. When your desk is cluttered, it creates an overwhelming feeling that there's so much to do. But when your desk is orderly, you feel like you have control over what needs to be done and how you can tackle it. There is no right way to clean, and it's up to your own discretion. But in general, all loose leaf paper should be stacked in terms of importance or grouped up. Pens and other stationery should be coupled together in a cup, and personal trinkets should be kept to a minimum. Number 2. Make a plan of action. Identify some goals you'd like to reach. Whether they are goals set by your supervisor or personal goals you'd like to meet, having goals with set deadlines will help you stay on track of what you need to do. These goals also don't need to be for a long period of time. Set monthly, weekly, or even daily goals for yourself so you can keep yourself motivated and on track. Even a to-do list for the hour is a good way to focus up both mentally and physically. Number 3. Use organizational apps. Some examples of apps are Google Calendar, Trello, or Monday.com. You can even use a reminders list on your phone or take physical notes on scratch pads to help you keep track as you go from task to task. If you need help just focusing on the day, a physical calendar can help ground you. Apps are especially helpful if you have meetings that involve other people. You can send reminders to you and your participants to remind them about the meeting. This way, you honor their time and your own. Number 4. Label and condense your content. Have clear labels on your documents, whether they are digital or physical. It makes it easier to find both in the present and in the future. For example, if you have schoolwork that needs to be organized, your parent folder could be the school semester, then you can break it down into the classes and then the individual assignments. When it comes to the individual files, make sure to name your files consistently so then the computer can automatically organize it for you. Number 5. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Keep your mind focused on one task at a time by keeping work things at work and home things at home. This applies to any focus. But especially if you have a busy life, creating a hard distinction between your focuses will help keep your thoughts organized. For example, if you have home tasks like cleaning directly on your mind, you won't be able to focus on the work right in front of you. So, for the time you're at work, focus only on the work that needs to be done. This applies to schoolwork, hobbies, or more. Next, we have a scenario demonstrating how you can practice organization.
Hey, do you have those meeting notes by chance?
Yeah, I do. Hold on. Give me a second. Oh, there goes the pen. This is my textbook. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to turn in this to our supervisor earlier. I'm just gonna put this over here. Okay.
You know what? I'll ask someone else for that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it looks
it's
like you're...
It's right here. I literally can get it. Just
looks
give me
like you have
another
something
second.
on your plate. I'll just...
Maybe I should clean up. Hey Kathy, can I get the meeting notes?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. If you are completing this as a part of the Soft Skills Certificate or want to test your knowledge, please complete the quiz on our website. All sources used for research are cited in the description below. You can check out another video here and contact us in these ways if you have any questions. Aloha!